How to disable someone's live notifications on TikTok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop getting notified when a specific person goes live. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. From there, search for the username of the person whose live notifications you want to turn off and tap on their profile to open it. Let me show you. At this point, tap on the bell icon at the top on their profile. In the next step, you'll see notification options for that account. From there, tap on None for live or live videos to stop receiving notifications when they go live. Once done, you'll no longer receive a notification when that person starts a live stream. Here's an important note. This setting only affects notifications for that specific account. You'll still receive live notifications from other accounts you follow unless you turn it off for each one individually. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable someone's live notifications on TikTok, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.